influenza virus. They belongs to family Orthomyxovirus. They are enveloped and they are capable for genetic reassortment. Influenza virus has segments. Type A and B has 8 segments. Type C has 7 segments. Let's talk about pathogenicity of influenza virus. Influenza contains a genome of single-stranded RNA segments. Enzyme required for viral replication inside a host cell and shell of matrix proteins. The virus has phospholipid envelope with several embedded proteins, including a molecule called hemagglutinin, which plays an essential role in viral cell entry. Influenza virus starts to bind to host cell receptor proteins that contains polysaccharide terminating with sialic acid. For influenza virus to become infective, hemagglutinin must be cleaved and enzyme released from epithelial lining of the respiratory tract. The host cell takes up the virus by endocytosis. The endocytic vesicle then fuses with lysosomes and its interior acidifies. The fusion process expels the contents of the virus into the host cytoplasm. The virus is ready to begin its replication cycle. Types of influenza virus. There are 3 types of influenza virus: influenza A, influenza B, and influenza C. Influenza A causes pandemics and epidemics, and they infect mammals and birds. Influenza B causes epidemics, and they infect only humans. Influenza C causes sporadic disease. They infect humans and sometimes pigs. Subtypes of influenza A: 18HA subtypes and 11NA subtypes. For example, H1N1, H3N2, and H5N8. Among these, H1, H2, H3, H5, H7, and H9 can infect humans. Also, N1 and N2 can also infect humans. Let's talk about transmission of influenza virus by airborne droplets, hand to hand, and contaminated fomites. Complaints of influenza virus such as fever, chills, headache, myalgia, and dry cough. There are some associated symptoms like watering of eyes and photophobia. Risk factors or complications: age above 65 years and below 5 years, pregnancy second and third trimester, chronic diseases of lungs, liver, heart, and kidney, also immunodeficiency. Complications: most common complication of respiratory tract, pneumonia, which is caused by virus, bacteria. Viral is least common type. Bacteria is most common, which is caused by Staphylococcus aureus, and mixed type. Specimen like nasopharyngeal swabs, which is best specimen. Also, throat swab and sputum. Rapid influenza diagnostic test, which is ELISA for detecting antigens. Also, PCR is used, which is most sensitive and specific. Treatment: Usually, spontaneous recovery is seen in influenza infection. Treatment is needed in patients with risk of complication and severe disease. There are two drugs, amantadine and rimantadine, which is effective for influenza A virus. Also, there are some another drugs like oseltamivir, zanamivir and piramavir. They are effective against influenza A and B. Let's talk about vaccines. So, there are vaccines available for influenza virus, like inactivated vaccine, which can be given intramuscular, and live attenuated vaccines, which can be intranasal spray.